My phone keeps shutting off because of the rain. Here, bud. So, as you can see, it's clear up there, but it's pouring rain down here. So, yeah, we got stuck in a downpour. I was walking along, talking away, and I didn't have my record button pushed. So, as I was saying, I'm working on a new channel that is something very close to me and Cooper, and that's chronic pain. And no better than me to get into this, because I've seen the evolution of chronic pain for the last 30 plus years, and how it's, believe it or not, has become even more misunderstood in the medical community than it was that long ago. There's more ignorance, there's more judgment, there's more people suffering because they're given these drugs that I call monkey juice. They try to rewire your brain so that your receptors don't pick up the pain signals, when basically all they're doing is frying your mind. But they'll always offer you MAID, which is, we'll gladly unalive you.